Before operating the window, make sure your vent locks are closed. Take locking levers and turn to the right. With each hand, take a corner of the handle and slide the bottom sash up. Push both latches in on your bottom sash and tilt the window down. For the top sash, slide the sash down 3 inches, push tilt-in latches in and tilt down. Tilt the sash to a 90-degree angle and lift one side up and out, following with the other side. To reinstall your top sash, take one side of pivot bar and slide back into the shoe, followed by the other side. And this concludes the operation of tilting out a Jantek window.